Ranjana Jose moved to Montreal from India 4 months ago. She wants to learn French, but it hasn't been easy.
We have a family, we have a child, so it's not actually possible for us to learn French and have a job and study. So, it's becoming hard for us.
Jose came to this event connecting immigrants to services and jobs to learn more about Quebec's new rules around French. Among them, newcomers must receive most government services in French once they've been here for 6 months.
If I don't achieve the level for the French, I need to move to Ontario.
Quebec's new language law limits who can access public services in a language other than French. Take the City of Montreal's information line. For service in English, you now have to fall under specific categories.
If you are a person declared eligible to receive English education, if you are an Indigenous person.
Businesses will now have new requirements too around certain documents and contracts.
I think it's just more paperwork that we have to do, another stick in the wheel of owning of a business in Quebec.
And we're monitoring.
The law has prompted protests and court cases, even though the government used the notwithstanding clause to protect it from charter challenges. But Lina Randon says the new rules are reasonable. She and her sister took intensive French classes when they moved here from Colombia. And after 8 months, she says she could communicate with people in stores and at the bank. Quebec's French language minister says the law is a bold measure to stop the decline of French and says the government won't be policing public service interactions.
Validating the possibility of using a language other than French will be based on a declaration of good faith by the individual, no special card or passport or something like that.
Other parts of the wide-ranging law come into effect later this year. Alison Northcott, CBC News, Montreal.